Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're here in the woods with Mr. JP. So my name's actually Ethan and this is Jack. So it's Jack Wreck Adventures. So Jack being his name. The day I started the channel, I found the shipwreck and we love adventures. So it's Jack Wreck Adventures. But today we're actually going to be testing and cooking with a Kelly Kettle. I'd only just found out about these, but quite a lot of people know about them. So I was actually quite admired with them. So I had to get it. As usual, I get the full setup, which has all of it. So as usual, I had to get the full setup, which got the Kelly Kettle itself. You've got the dish that it sits on, which you light your fire in that. Also comes with 2 plates / bowls. A couple of tins to cook in, as well as 2 camping cups. 1 big, 1 small.
Can I have the big one?
You can have the small one.
Why?
Small one for me, big one for Jack, obviously.
Yeah.
It also comes with this device, which you can see sits on the flame, so you can actually cook on top of that, like so. So you can actually also fill it up with water in here, and while you're cooking or having your campfire, it boils the water for you and whistles when it's ready. So we're going to go collect some sticks, because that's what you use to fuel it.
Yes, so we're making fire.
We're going to make fire.
For our beans.
And we're actually going to be cooking cowboy beans today for Mr. JP, okay?
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to go collect some sticks. Right,
Yeah.
you want to find some sticks?
Yeah, let's collect some sticks.
We got some sticks here.
Yeah.
That's the beauty with this kettle, is you'll always have fuel to fire it.
You always have 3
A little bit of a cheat, I've got firelighters today. Ready?
Yeah.
Right. Couple of them in there. Right. Take your rubbish home.
Yeah, you can take your rubbish home. If you want to, if you don't have to put your rubbish away.
You do have to take your rubbish away. Right, got some sticks? Hey, calm down, mate.
Did that put in your hand?
No. Right, got some more sticks?
Okay.
Any more sticks, buddy?
I see one more here, but it's very
Everything's a little bit wet because we've had a lot of rain, a lot of bad weather lately. That's why we haven't been able to get out much.
Yeah.
But we've got some exciting things coming. Haven't we, Jack? That's a good boy. Stop. Don't worry about that one, okay?
Put it in the campfire.
Put it in the campfire.
Why do we need some wood for the campfire?
Very good. So put the kettle on top.
Where's the fire coming out of it?
Yeah.
Fire coming out of it.
So this is our first time using this, so bear with us.
Yeah.
It's always fun and games on this channel.
Yeah.
Right. I'm going to put the water in, get that on the boil. There we are. So I bought Jack a hot chocolate and myself a fruit tea.
And let's have a cup.
And there's the cup. Go knobbly on. There we are, the water's boiling.
How can we put our beans in?
That'll come in a minute. Right. Also comes with these.
So
Sit like that. Like that. And now we can cook on top. We can start cooking beans.
yeah.
Yeah. We'll let the fire get on a bit better. Okay?
Yeah.
Right, let's take some bits away. We've got quite a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
So let's grip the beans. Let's do our teas.
So we have to keep those.
Yeah. As you can hear, guys, the kettle is ready, whistling away. Lift that off. Water's boiled.
That.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Right. So we're now going to put our beans on.
Yeah.
Cowboy beans.
Yes. Because no beans on toast. We are going to have beans on toast.
Going to put the lid on.
Put some beans in.
We call it cowboy beans. It's literally just beans with sausages in, but they're cowboy beans, aren't they, mate?
Yeah. They probably are.
Keep our rubbish together.
Okay.
Got our spoons. Give it a good mix. Delicious.
Delicious. So we put the drinks right on the floor. Then when we first eat, we pick them up, then we drink them.
Yeah. I'll do your beans and then I'll do your drink, okay? Cool.
So can you do my drink now?
After beans. So this is where we're currently set up. This is the woods just not far from where we live, so we didn't have to walk too far. Walk forward, buddy.
Why?
So yeah, brilliant evening, guys. So
Yeah.
we've got the little grips, grip hold of these. There we are. Very handy. Good mix. Oh, smoke in the eye.
Yes, my eyeballs. Smacking my eyeballs.
Delicious. Right. We'll give it a couple more minutes, yeah?
Yeah, only one more minute.
One more minute, guys. So we've got some exciting news. We've actually just been kitted out. Well, actually, I'll tell you the story. I was after an Australian swag. I used to live in Australia, New Zealand, hence why I love the adventures. I was after an Australian swag for a while. I've been looking, but the postage was like £200. Luckily, I've just found a company in the UK who transport big amounts of different swags, swag tents, 1 person, 2 person. They're called Burke and Wheels UK. They literally ship them over in bulk. But I say bulk, but a large amount to keep the shipping cost down. So I've just been kitted out by them. I got their one-man swag. So there will be a bit of swag travelling, fishing, sleeping. That'd be pretty cool.
It's raining already.
Right, you ready for your beans?
Yeah.
Check how hot they are. Delicious. Right, hold on.
Get our boat. Our beans. Get underneath.
There you go. You ready?
Ready for my beans.
Yeah, let me hold it.
They might be very hot. What about your beans?
Lovely. There we are. I'll cook mine now. I'll do your drink first.
Okay.
Here's your spoon. make Jack a quick hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can do it this way. Burn myself. Oop. Handle. Yeah. Right there. I'll borrow your spoon.
Okay. Why's the fire gone down?
Oh, that was hot.
Why's the
I
fire
don't know why I
gone
did that.
down? Why's the fire gone down?
I need to stoke it up now.
Again?
Get ready for my beans. So we've just had an accident. JP's dropped his beans. Oh man. Now the bunny rabbits will eat it.
Yeah.
Right, let's cook you up some fresh stuff then, shall we? You share some of mine.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Oh no, we can share it together.
Yeah, I'm sure we can. That's alright, buddy.
Yeah, that was by accident.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, I know, you can put yours in my plate.
Yeah, I can. We can share it, okay? We're going to now test out this cooking device. Just sits on top like that. Put your pan on top. Let's get it a bit more level. Put your pan on top.
There.
Yeah, I think it's
what you
called.
do with the beans.
Yeah, I think it's called the hillbilly cooker.
The hillbilly cooker is very nice.
Get some more beans then, shall we?
Yeah. Because we had a little spill.
Did.
That's rubbish.
That's okay. We can clean it up.
Yeah. We can.
Make myself a cup of tea.
Yeah.
Just started raining. Typical. It was meant to be really sunny, but the weather's changed now. What have we got? I'm on the Kestrel Warrior 6 this Saturday afternoon on a fishing trip. Well, that's really hot, buddy. We'll let that cool down for a minute, okay?
Hey.
That's a bit of place fishing, so that should be quite good. We might turn into a catch and cook.
Catch a cook. Yeah.
That all depends if we catch something though. Alright, there's your spoon. Let's give this a mix.
Mix.
So the story behind the old Kelly Kettle, it was actually invented in Ireland. It was a fisherman, if I recall right. He made his first one out of tin in his shed, and it didn't last long, so he kept making them out of tin, replacing it. And then he changed it to copper, and then he went on to aluminium. But people would go to him to fish the rivers there, and obviously he would always be able to make a cup of tea. And then people brought it back to England, and that's how it began.
Yeah. That's what
That was a little bit of information about the Kelly Kettle.
Kelly Kettle, yeah. It's raining now, Daddy.
I know, that's okay.
Yeah.
We're in the forest.
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Bit of a different video, isn't it?
Yeah. The sticks are not saving us from the rain.
Right. Ready for some more beans?
Yay.
We have to share these ones, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, buddy. I'll at the camera. Delicious. So we finished our beans. Our little kettle cook adventure was a success. You like it? Did you have fun? How much better was that than sat in front of the TV at home? It's why I like getting Mr. JP out in the bat. He's a nutcase, lots of energy, but he thrives on being out. Hey buddy. So I'm gonna let him have a minute of the camera filming him and him talking about whatever he wants. So enjoy.
Happy birthday!
Not too close. Sit down.
Yeah, but I want to get my toys.
No, just talk to the camera, mate. Tell him what we've been doing.
No, you tell what we've been doing.
And there we are. So we're going to pack this stuff up now, guys. We're going to send the drone up. Haven't had that out for a while.
No, never.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Something different. I just wanted to get JP out, and he has been asking to do another video. So there we are. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Please subscribe. Please like the video if you do. Let us know if you want to see certain other videos or more of videos. We just do it because we like to do it.
Yeah.
That's it, boy. High five. See you later.
Yeah. I'll turn it off. See you.